Hello and welcome back to Car Build New Zealand. Today we install a dash cam. Hey guys, and welcome back. Basically today I'll be installing a dash camera in the back right here, right in front of the rear view, so it's out of mind, out of sight. And this is as easy as just plugging it right into your cigarette lighter, which is awesome. And you can do that, but in my case I'm going to be taking some wires and hardwiring right into the car, so it's always recording all the time. What you want to do is, check if your battery's up to standard and it doesn't run flat, because this will be recording all the time. Another thing I want to let you guys quickly know is that these DIY videos are basically experimental, so all the stuff I do, I am not responsible if anything goes wrong with your car or whatever. It's just up to you and you're responsible for that. But anyway, with this dash cam, it's pretty easy. What you do is pop a micro SD card in there and it overlaps footage, so it's recording, it gets full, and it basically just overlaps the old footage. Now there's some settings, there's instructions, and this is a make your dash cam. There's actually no reviews or any videos about it on YouTube, so this will be awesome time to actually give it a test. And I'll put some, I'll be putting up some road testing videos and stuff later on, but let's hardwire this in and see how it goes. So as you guys can see here, basically I've got the make your dash cam. I'm just gonna quickly do an unboxing. These things are like a pain in the ass to cut. Oh, that was a lot of effort. Here it is, and it's all glory. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, it actually has a screen at the back. I did not expect that. Check that out. It's got a nice little screen there, and here's a removable lens thingy. Basically you just peel that off. Wow, that's beautiful. It's got buttons and stuff on the side. Why is this still stuck on me? And removing the packaging and stuff from here, as you can see, you've got your suction mount cup and the cigarette lighter charging port, basically. So this is what we will be cutting up and hacking. Whoops. Oh well, there she goes. Obviously you've got your instruction manual in there. It's probably best to read that, because yeah, I still don't know how to actually use this. Now assembling this thing should be easy as 1, 2, 3. Basically you just take this mount here and it goes on the top there. I don't know why I'm showing you these guys, because I'm pretty sure this item is discontinued, but I'm just gonna record it anyway. Oh, it's got a bit of plastic thing on there that I need to peel off. So basically we pop this in there, and so if you guys can see that, I'm pretty sure it's gonna make a click noise. Oh no, that's in there really good. And basically you can swivel it however you want it, stuck to your windscreen basically. Oh wow, that's a lot of swiveling points, as you guys can see there. So it just sticks like that. Now this is basically as easy as just popping it onto your windshield and just forgetting about it. You can just plug this into the cigarette lighter pot right here, down here, if you have one. I'm pretty sure most cars have cigarette lighter pots. And boom, look at that. This actually feels like good quality. I'm surprised that I got this on clearance. Oh wow, this is actually decently long as well, as you guys can see here. Damn, this is way decently long. I might not even need a wire to actually run this. Wow, that's about like a meter, or at least 1.5 meters of wire right there. So that's awesome. You can just plug that straight in and just carry on doing your thing. That's awesome. Wow, easy as. That's how it goes on. Just to test the camera, make sure it works, we're just gonna 10 our cigarette lighter here and see if it actually powers up before I start wiring it, just so we know that this does work. Oh wow. Wow, check that out. That's awesome. It's just started recording automatically. This is pretty freaking cool. So yeah, we've mounted the dash cam basically here. I've just went through the settings and there it is. As you can see right there, right behind the rear view mirror, just sort of out of your mind, out of your sight. And we're going to be running this wire basically under the roof lining here. Just so you guys know, I've run this wire up and behind under the headliner, and now it's going down the pillar. All I've done is just pulled my pillar off, and it's going to go behind the pillar, down there, and just behind the dash. As you guys can see here, just behind the pillar that I pulled out is wires running all the way down. I had to remove this tube down here and basically run it all the way down there, and then comes down there, as you guys can see. I'll just focus it for you. And now I'm going to run it just behind the dash along here, behind the center console, so I can hardwire it. So obviously I'll need to pull my center console out. There's 2 screws right here and there. I have to obviously untwist my gear knob as well so I can get all this out. So I'm just going to do that now. Okay, she's out now. I know it looks a bit disgusting, but hey, well, oh well. Now it's time to actually chop this beautiful cigarette lighter plug, which I am a bit scared about, but hey, oh well, it's got to be done. It's like so well designed and whatnot, but I really want to chop it off and then hardwire it to the back of the cigarette lighter over here. You guys can't really see that, it's a bit of a bed's nest back there, but I'll sort that out later. Do I commit, guys, or do I run it through a cigarette lighter? I don't know.
At this moment, Vinny knew he fucked up.
But really, at that moment, I didn't actually know I fucked up, because I cut the wires, because as I cut it, I realized that hardwiring didn't work, because the actual plug had some sort of resistors or something in it, so I had to rewire it back again and buy an extra set of a cigarette port lighter thingy and hardwire it at the back of the head unit, because I didn't want it in front of the dash. So I had to plug it into the new port and basically run it just like that, because that's how it works. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that episode. I forgot to record an outro, so I'm recording it on my mic at home at the moment. So yeah, if you have any questions about this dash cam or anything, you leave it in the comments. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.